thanks to the Almighty. Girl pretty in a off-whitey. Living life, man, I pre your IG. Skin soft, so I need your ID. And girl, you a queen of a nation. Dark skin girl, they ain't related. Tryna be like you, so they hate and they liking the juice that Jamaican. I think
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm back again with another makeup tutorial because that's what I do best. So yeah, and we have a change of scenery because I am back home. It might be a bit noisy because my room is right next to the bathroom and everybody's having a shower right now. So yeah, just bear that in mind. But anywho, hopefully it goes as smoothly as possible. Right, I really don't want this video to be too long because I don't want to be late for church. So first thing we are going to do is grab the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease canvas, and I'm just literally going to prime my eyelids with this. Then I'm going to take my blending brush and literally just blend that. Okay, so once that's nicely blended, we're going to move straight into eyeshadow, and I'm going to use my Tammy palette. Of course, I don't think I'm going to put this palette down. The face palette is not my favorite face palette, like all the bronzers that I bought. Don't know when I'm going to use them ever again really until this timeline's finished, let's be quite honest. But yeah, I want to use my Tammy because it's so beautiful, and I want to look an orange, nice and blue and orange eyeshadow today to match my outfit because I like matching everything. It's the Congolese in me, it comes out all the time because I like matching everything. My tops, my trousers, my shoes, my makeup, it all gotta match. Right, so first thing I'm going to do is go with a transition color. So I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to go with Sundown, which is nice brown orange-ish shade. I'm just going to use that as my transition. Okay, so once the transition color is down, what I'm going to do is grab a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to take this blue shade called Nightfall, this one right here. So I'm going to use Nightfall. Just going to put this in my crease. First I'm going to start it on the outer V of my eye, so I'm going to start it here first, just pack that on there and then bring it inwards. Okay, once we have the blue blended on there, what I'm going to do is cut my crease because I want to do a nice cut crease today. I'm going to take a bit of that cut crease canvas, just place it on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take my tiny concealer brush and just cut the crease. Okay, so once the cut crease is done, what I'm going to do is go back with that fluffy brush that we used with the blue and go back with Nightfall, which is the blue shade. Just gonna add a bit more of that on the outer part of the eye. Just literally just pat it. Okay, literally just like that. So once you've patted that, what I'm going to do, where is it? I'm gonna grab this flat eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna take the orange shade, which is called Sunrise, that one there right next to the yellow. Then I'm just gonna pack this literally on top of that cut crease canvas. Why is my nose so runny? Okay, once you've done the orange, what you need to do is again go back with Nightfall, which is the blue shade, and just literally perfect everything, especially here where the two colors are meeting. You want it to be seamless. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do is apply my mascara and also do my eyelashes off camera, and then I shall be right back. Okay, so now that my eyelashes are pretty much done, these are the Any Lashes from Any Lashes UK in the store Boss, I believe. Yeah, I think it's Boss. Right, moving on to our face, I'm going to use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer to prime my face. Since I'm using the foundation today as well, I thought I'd use this because I think the two go really together. I did test this primer with other foundation. I didn't get super oily, but I still got a little bit oily. But when I used the primer with the foundation, I was really matte. So I think the two just works together. So I'm gonna stick with using both of them together, and if I'm using a different foundation, then I'll just use my Milk of Magnesia. It just makes sense that way. I'm gonna take the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. My shade is Mocha, and that's the foundation I'll be using today. I think it's literally finishing because it's not even coming out. Don't play games with me, not today. There we go. I'm trying my hardest not to get my top dirty because that will actually annoy me. Like, not today. Really, not today. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. Okay, so once that's nicely blended, we're going to move straight into concealer, and I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer and define foundation in C11.2. This is the Infinite concealer. Then taking my damp beauty sponge. Why does it feel so wet and cold? Right. Yeah, I'm just gonna take my damp beauty sponge and just blend all of that out. Bye bye, baby. You can't stay here. Look where I'm standing now. Okay, so once that's blended, I'm literally just gonna set the concealer. As you guys can see, my face looks very matte. Like I said, that primer and the foundation just works nicely together. So for that reason, I don't really want too much powder. So I'm just gonna minimize the amount of powder that I set to my concealer with. Okay, so once my concealer is set, I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. Oh my god, guys, I'm actually struggling. Sitting on the bed is not for me. Like, my posture is not great. I need a chair that has a back on it because this is not it. My back hurts. I'm trying to sit up straight, but I keep bending. It's terrible. But yeah, oh, I'm using my... Did I even tell you what powder I was using for? What is going on? Right, to set my concealer, I use my black opal powder, which is mixed with the Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Honey. The black opal powder is in the shade Medium, and I mix it with the Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Honey. And for the rest of my face, I'm using my black opal powder in the shade Dark, and this is basically just my face powder. So I'm gonna put it on all the areas that I didn't highlight. Okay, once that's done, we're going to move on to bronzing my face, and I'm gonna take my Tammy Tropical Twilight face palette. Gonna grab the bronzing brush, and I'm gonna take the bronzer in the shade Bronze Belle. My palette is the Dark Deep palette, just for reference. I'm gonna add a little bit on my forehead as well. Okay, me happy with that. I'm gonna grab my blush brush, and I'm going into Blush Belle. Is that what it's called? No, Blush Baby Girl. That's the name of the bronzer, my bad. I'm gonna take a bit of the blush. Just to warn you guys, if you haven't already got this palette, they are very pigmented, so don't go crazy. Okay, I'm very happy with that. I love how everything just coming together. Yes, I want to do my hair as well, guys. Right, what I want to do now is do my lower lashes, and I don't think I brought the brush with me. Give me a second, I'm gonna grab my tiny brush and I'll be right back. Okay, so taking this small pencil brush, I'm gonna go back with the Tropical Twilight eyeshadow palette, And I think, do I want to put blue or orange? I think I'm going to put orange. I'm going to put the orange shade Sunshine. I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Beautiful. I love this so much. Right, what I'm going to do is set my face real quick. Okay, and then grab my beauty blender and just pat that all in. Okay, so once everything's set, I'm going to move on to highlighting. Go back with my Tammy face palette. I'm gonna take this pencil brush and I'm gonna take the highlighting shade, which is called Golden Hour. Gonna put this in my inner corner. Oh, that's so pretty. Right, I'm gonna put some on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose as well, and then my cute as well. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to grab my fan brush and use that same highlighting shade and just highlight my cheeks. Okay, and then just on top of that, going back with my blush brush and literally just blend it so it's nicely blended. Okay, what I'm gonna do, let me do my lower lash mascara. Okay, let me fan that a little bit just to dry it. Okay, and now we're going to move straight into lips, and I'm taking this brown lip pencil. It came with the Tammy lip kit. It's in the shade Glory. Just gonna line my lips. Just gonna put my lips together, just blend it. Beautiful. I'm loving how this is turning out. So good. Right, I'm gonna go with 2 lip glosses today. I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place lip gloss in the shade, I think it's Royalty. Yeah, Royalty. And I'm gonna take the Tammy lip gloss that came with the kit in the sheer Muse. So I'm gonna take this one first. I'm gonna take Royalty first. It'd be a bit lighter nude. Just place that in the center. Okay, I think that's enough. And then on top of it, I'm gonna take Muse and put this literally all over my lips. It's a bit of a darker nude. Ah, this is perfect. Oh god, this is literally the perfect combination. Are you kidding me? Right. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm so excited. This looks so cute. Oh guys, I can't. Hold on. I actually can't. I love how I've done my hair today. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Really? Wow. This lip combination. You can't tell me nothing. You actually cannot tell me nothing. My hand. Let me clean my hands because this is doing too much. But yeah, guys, how cute is this? I love it. My face looks great. Like, look at my face, please. Look at my face. Like, the eyes turned out great. The lip combination is amazing. The base looks amazing. My face is bronzed. There's color, but I'm actually obsessed with my lips. I'm like looking at the reflection of my phone right now. My lips looks gorgeous. Wow. And guys, I made this wig myself as well, so if you need a wig, hit me up. My hair page is Slayed by Krizo_HK. I'm gonna write it here, so feel free to follow me on Instagram on my hair page. If you need a wig, just drop me a DM and we'll sort something out. But are you joking? Gonna take some cute cute pictures today, honestly, truly. But oh my god, I love how this makeup turned out. I really love it. And do you guys like my ring? I got like the African map ring. Look how cute that is. It's a very cute ring in it. It matches my necklace and my earrings. Can you tell I'm African? Can you tell I'm African and proud? But yeah guys, right, I need to go and take some cute pictures. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you guys, but thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video. If you like to, leave me a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed already, like, excuse me, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? By the time this video has come out, we're probably gonna reach 500 subscribers, and I'm so happy. I can't believe I'm literally near 500 subscribers. Like, I feel like once this video comes out, well, by the time this video comes out, we might reach 500, and my next goal is to reach 1k by the end of the year. So by September, I would love to reach 1k. So please make sure you subscribe if you're watching my videos and you're not subscribing. Like, why girl? Like, why? And make sure you share my videos to your family, your friends, so they can subscribe as well, so you can get your girl to 1k by December. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Mr. No, oh my done.